Oh, Tom, I was sleeping a little bit. Oh, not good. Look out, everybody.
Tom went off too.
Oh crap, Tom, I'm sorry to see that. I got my right sides in the grass. That's what screwed me. Well, that was a double screw up. Oh, not good. Look out, everybody.
Tom went off too.
Oh crap, Tom, I'm sorry to see that. I got my right sides in the grass. That's what screwed me. Well, that was a double screw up.
Start running cold tires. It's new.
Yeah, I suppose my week off, I just got a little rusty. Sorry about that.
Whoops. Well, I was in third. Whoops. Well, I was in third.
Tough night for the Starkweather clan.
You can say that again. Say that again.
It's a tough night.
For the Starkweathers, yes.
I'm coasting. My engine blew. I'm thinking maybe no matter what I do, I'll be a lap down. We'll see.
I'm being towed. I went like into the going into the first turn trying to get by fellow that was in front of me and wanted to get pinched too much into the. I wanted to drive it onto the. Where are we here? Yeah. Anyway, I got to the infield. Not the infield, the garage place, you know, and get in there and bang the shit, Jesus. So I'm being towed all the way around the track. Scenic Daytona.
Well, I'm disqualified already.
How did that happen?
AI just kept slamming into me.
Oh. Sorry about that. I saw you go off track there, you know, at the kind of at the start after John went off, and well, here we go. But then I messed it up when I got around to the pit again. So
I cleared you, Tom, because I was sitting on pit road. I don't usually do that kind of thing, but I tried to do it. I think in the process I may have gotten a black flag for speeding. So far, so good. Chuck, don't make any mistakes, buddy.
Yeah, just trying to take it easy. Glad I got the extra wing in the car now.
Yeah, there you go.
just be careful, man. You got it. The pits are taken by Starkweathers. Hey Tom, that was quick. Nice. Good job. I got a minute and 25-second extra penalty for plowing into the pits there, going into turn one.
Somebody is off in the inner loop. That's the chicane on the backstretch.
That was second place.
Well, unfortunately, or fortunately, I think it's just us regulars in here now. Tom, Chuck, me, Dad. If you guys get a chance, take a look at my other YouTube channel. I was gone last weekend for Road America, real life, vintage racing, and tonight I put up like 30-something videos from that event. Raw footage kind of stuff, but still might be entertaining to you if you like. The channel is D as in David, R as in runner, 7278. Take a look if you like.
Coming back out on the deal, there's one sitting right in the middle of the track.
Yeah, they're not friendly sometimes.
White flag.
Nicely done, Chuck. 0 incidents on my screen. Great job. That's the way to do it. Nice and clean. Tom, way to hang in there.
Yeah, I went from 20th.
Yeah, thanks. It was uneventful. Would have been more fun if you were up there.